The available underbody camera system is designed to give you a view of the terrain below your vehicle to help you navigate around obstacles safely. It consists of two waterproof wide-angle lens cameras, one facing forward and the other facing rearward, which can help you monitor wheel spin and specific tire placement in certain off-roading scenarios. They can also help you avoid obstacles underneath your vehicle, like rocks. Want to toggle back and forth between the forward and rearward underbody views? Just go to the camera app on the center display. You can also select a split-screen view that displays both the forward and rearward underbody views. Pressing the split-screen button multiple times will toggle between a split of the forward view with forward underbody view and forward underbody view with rearward underbody view. These underbody views are available while driving. When in terrain mode, when you'll most likely use these views, speed may be limited to 50 miles per hour, depending on your vehicle. Remember, park assist and rear cross traffic alert overlays are not available when underbody views are selected. The underbody cameras are both equipped with a wash nozzle that you can activate anytime to help remove the dirt from the underbody camera lens protector. Just press the camera wash icon on the center display when you're in forward or rearward underbody view to activate the nozzle. And for an extended wash, you can press and hold the icon. Having the underbody camera system is like having more eyes to see not only what's ahead and behind you, but also what's underneath your vehicle.